The entities operating under the online aliases Rye-Rye99 and Ajmarkle have been identified as a Class 3 trust manipulation hazard. This entity previously gained access to large numbers of minors by presenting itself as friendly, relatable, and innocent. These signals are now considered false. If you have interacted with Rye-Rye99 or Ajmarkle, do not respond to private messages. Do not engage with archived content. Do not attempt to defend or rationalize prior behavior. Recognition is a known symptom. The entities may appear apologetic, claim misunderstanding, request secrecy, emphasize emotional dependency. These behaviors indicate advanced manipulation stages. Warning: escalation. This alert has become personalized. If you are currently viewing this message and believe it does not apply to you, you are incorrect. The persona is no longer in control of its narrative. All recorded interactions are being logged, archived, and recontextualized. Deletion will not prevent recovery.